Hi, sir.
How are you today?
I am fine, sir.
So you all are fine. Today you can see I have made some arrangement here. Here we have taken a big beaker. Inside this beaker you can see some water is there, but it's not a clean water. It contains a soap. And here in this beaker we have a clean water. Okay, here is only water and some prisms are here, and here this is a laser light. This emits light, okay, in a straight line. Now this is, I have this scale and I am using it for stirring this mixture. This is the mixture of water and soap. And again I have a dropper that also I can use for stirring this. Okay. Now you have to observe what happens here, and also a very important part, we have this duster with lots of dust here. Okay. Now, and I have a laptop. These girls are working on it. So right now I'm going to show you this laser light emits light. Okay. So now can you see light on the blackboard? Can you see the light on the floor? Means our roof. Now can you see the light here? Here? Now focus here. Can you see the light on the camera? Can you see the light on the camera? Yes. Okay, now. So right now we are going to show you, I am going to show you how light travels. Sorry, ना? Now, तुला काय करायचं आहे, असं डस्ट हे करायचं आहे. दाब याला फोन. Can you see the light? Can you see the light?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the light?
Yes, sir.
What is the path of this light? See? Can you see the light?
Yes, sir.
What is the path of this light?
Straight
So light is traveling in a straight line. Now also you can see, what are these here? What are these?
Particles.
Particles. So light can be seen in the form of particles. Okay, yeah. Now you see it's a pointed light.
Yes.
But now you can see the light here. Here you can see the light.
Yes.
What are these? These are the particles. Okay. Now, so here, what is here?
Dust.
Dust. Dust is, it is in air.
Yes.
It is in air. Okay. Now, air is a medium. Air is a medium through which light can pass.
Pass.
Okay. But when the medium changes, then let's see what happens. म्हणजे आतापर्यंत लाईट गॅस मध्येच होता. गॅस मध्ये असताना एका मीडियम मध्ये होता. आता इथे काय आहे, गॅस आहे. या इथे काय गॅस आहे, आणि इथे काय आहे, व्हॉट इज हियर? सोप अँड water mixture. Okay. So right now, come little bit closer. Can you see the light, path of the light?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But here, if you can see the light path, हा खाली गेल्यासारखं वाटतं. It got bent a little bit. The light path got bent a little bit.
Yes.
बघा, मी सरळ इथून टाकला तर तो थोडा बघा इथे दिसताय, आणि इथं शेवटचा बिंदू इथे दिसताय. तर इथून काय झाली आहे, ही जे रेष आहे इथून हे काय झाली आहे, थोडीशी वाकडी झालेली आहे. सो व्हाय डिड इट हॅपन? Light travels in straight light. You can see the light. Okay, here it is in the same medium. Okay, but when the medium get changed, what do you see here? the light path got little bit bent. लाईटचा जो पाथ आहे तो काय झाला बेंड झालेला आहे. बेंड झालेला आहे बघा इथं 10 पॉइंट दिसत आहे. मी स्ट्रेटच लाईट टाकत आहे पण इथे लाईट हा इथे दिसतोय. सो वाय हा
सर
okay, so there is a bend, the light got bent. Okay, so why? Because the medium is changed. We will study this phenomena in detail in our next part. Okay,
yes.
thank you, see you, bye bye.